Chelsea secured their first victory in Premier League against Wolverhampton. The match ended 6-2. Now listen properly to my observation over this tremendous and spontaneous victory secured from Chelsea against Wolverhampton. Enzo Maresca, Chelsea coach, has to work on how Chelsea player easily lose ball during transition, most especially Moses Caicedo and Nicolas Jackson. That's my number one observation. Then number two, there are a lot of carelessness made during first half. That's why Chelsea left out being exposed on a countless occasion. That's my number two observation. Then number three, Enzo Maresca made a critical mistake for standing or by starting